As of August 2025, there is no direct native integration between Venmo and Jotform for payment processing. Let's examine what this means. Venmo, the popular peer-to-peer payment platform, cannot be directly connected to Jotform's payment system. However, Jotform does support over 40 different payment processors. These include major platforms like PayPal, Stripe, Square, and AuthorizeNet. So why isn't Venmo included in this list? The answer lies in Venmo's business model and technical architecture. This creates a significant challenge, especially considering Venmo's massive popularity. With over 90 million active users, particularly among younger demographics and small businesses, the demand for Venmo integration continues to grow. Since direct Venmo integration isn't available in Jotform, several workarounds exist, along with promising future possibilities for native integration. The first workaround involves adding manual Venmo payment instructions directly in your Jotform. Users provide their Venmo username and follow written instructions, but this requires manual verification of each payment. A more practical solution is using Jotform's existing PayPal integration. Since PayPal owns Venmo, users can fund their PayPal payments through their linked Venmo accounts, providing the automation Jotform requires. PayPal's established integration with Jotform makes this the most viable current solution for accepting Venmo-funded payments. Looking toward the future, several developments could enable true Venmo integration with Jotform. The timeline for Venmo integration possibilities spans 3 key periods, each with different potential developments. In the short term, 6 to 12 months, solutions will likely remain limited to custom development projects, requiring significant technical expertise and investment. The medium term, 1 to 2 years, may see third-party integration platforms emerge to bridge the gap between Venmo and form builders like Jotform. Long term, beyond 2 years, we might see native Venmo integration if Venmo significantly expands its business API capabilities to support automated form processing. Several key factors will determine the timeline for true Venmo integration. Venmo expanding its business APIs, regulatory changes enabling broader business integrations, and continued market demand from both businesses and users. While current workarounds provide functional solutions, the future holds promise for seamless Venmo integration as the payment landscape continues to evolve toward more diverse and user-friendly options.